Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change the brightness of a layer in Photoshop. Let's get right into it. So, I've got an image here, and I think it's a bit too dark. And I want to make it brighter. And to do so, I need to make sure I click on the layer, and then I need to go down to the bottom right of the screen. And you're going to see a circle that's half filled and half not filled. I want you to click on it. Then click on brightness/contrast. And so you're going to have two slider bars. If we slide them, we can change the brightness and the contrast of our image. And what's even better is, we can drag and drop the layer that has been created, so it only affects things underneath it. So since I moved the brightness and contrast beneath my screenshot, it's no longer going to impact that screenshot, because it's below it. If I move it above, it now impacts it. This can be really useful for your multi-layered images. Thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.